AI adds the most tangible value in areas where repetition and coordination create friction. The greatest impact is seen on appointment management or settings, automated reminders, eligibility checks about insurance. Just like us in Makati Life, we're also catering to the, or we subsidize, no, the Makati citizens' healthcare benefits are being subsidized by the city governments, and also the follow-ups and structured communication. So these are tasks that consumes enormous administrative bandwidth, no, but do not require complex human judgment. When AI absorbs all of these functions, it immediately improves operational efficiency while also reducing patient anxiety. You know that it is very important to me, the patient experience, because patients appreciate timely reminders, clear instructions, and consistent updates. And these seemingly small improvements significantly elevate the overall patient experience. And hospital leaders, however much, approach AI with the right mindset. No? AI should not be introduced as technology upgrade. It should be framed as a patient experience enabler.